Amazing fruits of diabetes. 1. Peaches. Peaches are also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in regulating blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. The fiber content helps promote feelings of fullness, assisting in weight management. 2. Berries. Berries are also packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals. They are also low in carbohydrates, with about 21 grams of carbohydrates per cup. 3. Kiwi. It's also an excellent source of vitamin C and fiber, both of which play a role in controlling blood sugar levels. Just remember, portion size is crucial. One medium-sized kiwi is usually adequate for a single serving. 4. Apricots. They're also a great source of vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants. A single apricot contains about 4 grams of carbohydrates and has minimal impact on blood glucose levels when consumed as a whole fruit. 5. Apples. The fiber in apples helps slow down the absorption of sugar, contributing to more stable blood sugar levels. Fiber is highest in the skin of an apple, so be sure to leave the skin on to make the most of the fruit's benefits. 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are also rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and flavonoids that are known for their potential cardiovascular benefits, which is crucial for people with diabetes who are at higher risk for heart disease. 7. Cherries. They are also rich in antioxidants, like anthocyanins, which can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Cherries are a source of fiber, which aids in digestion and can contribute to improved blood sugar control. Write to me in a comment, what is your problem with diabetes and whether you suffer from it or not. I wish you good health and wellness.